Getting hair done, we're getting nails done, we're getting pedicure, we're getting waxed, we're getting eyebrows done. Welcome to my maintenance / packing vlog. It's officially 1 week and 2 days until I leave to go to vacation, and now I'm so excited. It's Sunday and I'm about to get out and enjoy a little bit of the sun. I am going to like an art / like wine event, so that should be really fun. Quick OOTD before I head out. This is actually one of my vacation outfits, but I actually have to shoot a campaign today too, so I'm dressed for the campaign, for the event, like whatever. So I wanted to show y'all my outfit. So I have on this skinny waistcoat. That's what it's called. It is very skinny because you can see it's a little tight. I did order this again in another size up to see how it fits, because so far like it fits here, but it's like tight in the waist, which is how the model looks too, so we'll see. But it's from Urban Revivo, and I love it. My pants, oh my god, I'm so in love with my pants. My pants are from COS. They are super wide leg. I love these. I have these in white, and I have these in like a deep like a copper color. So yeah, this is my outfit. Let me see if I can give you like a full outfit. So this is what you see, what I have on. And I'm carrying, wait till y'all see this bag, because I'm in love with it. I'm carrying this bag from Brahmin. Brahmin has some great new fall pieces. This one is a one. So this one was gifted to me. I do have to send it back because it was a gift, but I'm shooting campaign with it, so I have to send it back. However, the one that they gave me to keep, hold on. Okay, the one that they gave me to keep, oh my god, I cannot wait to, like, I want to carry this one today, but because I have to shoot a campaign with this one, I'm carrying this one. I love both, but this one right here, this one just does it. So I'm carrying this one today. This is my OOTD with the bag. The outfit with the bag, let me show you. This is how it's going to look. I'm super excited. And then I couldn't decide between sunglasses. The other ones I were going to wear, I put away, but I decided to go with my Tom Fords. Y'all seen these several times. These are my favorite brown sunglasses. So I am going with these today. And this is my outfit. I'm super excited because I only have 1 week of work left before I go. Countdown mode. Like this week we're getting hair done, we're getting nails done, we're getting pedicure, we're getting waxed, we're getting eyebrows done. Like I'm going the whole nine, getting everything done before I go. Can't wait. So super excited, but see y'all soon. All right, so I just got back from getting my eyebrows done and getting my wax, and I was moving too fast. I was supposed to take y'all with me, moving too fast, and I ran out the house and forgot my camera. So I did just get my eyebrows done. They are super crispy. I don't have much of an arch. My eyebrows just go straight across, but super crispy eyebrows. And then my wax, y'all. I can't take it. Every single time, it's just, it doesn't get better. So I just have to suffer through it. But 2 things out the way. I have a nail appointment on, well, my pedicure appointment is on Friday, and then my nail appointment is on Saturday. Then I get my hair done on Sunday. So then the rest of the evening, Sunday and Monday, I'll be packing, and then I'm off on Tuesday. So I'm super excited because it's getting really close. Can y'all guess where I'm going? Like, any idea where I'm going? My layover's in Paris. Hint. I did say that. I don't know if it's really a hint, but my layover's in Paris. I'm going to another continent. So, yeah, if you can guess where I'm going. But I'm super excited. Also, I am preparing for homecoming. I went to North Carolina A&T. Homecoming is a big deal. GHO, if you know. The greatest homecoming on earth. It's so funny because somebody was like, who told y'all had the greatest homecoming on earth? Like, and I'm like, baby, if you Google it, just Google the greatest homecoming on earth and see what comes up. Like, A&T is going to come up. But anyway, I bought all my tickets for that yesterday. Like, I'm going to the game. This is my first time as an adult. Like, I haven't been to a game since I was in college. So now I bought tickets to the game. I'm going to a day party. I'm going to a bonfire, like all the homecoming things. So I'm really excited about that. Today, I don't really have a lot going on other than working. I have to go return some stuff at H&M, and then I have an event that I'm going to this evening with Canada Goose. So that should be fun. But yeah, I am on the way. I'm doing all my maintenance this week. I'll be officially done by Sunday once I get my hair done. So super excited. Gel polish. If you don't get all white gel for your vacation, then what are you doing? My mom is here. My mom. She's gonna help me pack for my trip. So nails are done. Vacation nails are always going to be all white, French, little design, but we're done. Hair done tomorrow, and I'm done with all my maintenance. Our last stop of the night. We are at Target to pick up some last minute things, some toothpaste, soap, all that good stuff, and then we're going home because we've been out all day eating and drinking and eating and drinking. What we have? Burgers and guacamole and ice cream and just enjoying ourselves and having a good old time. Huh? We had sushi. We've just been snacking and walking, enjoying the streets of Atlanta. Now we're in Target. They have, so this is the Palo Santo and Sage, but I think
that smells good.
What?
Good.
This? What I just sprayed?
Yeah. Yes.
So they have it in a spray, and then they have it in this perfume oil, and it's just like a roller ball. Actually.
There's what? What's that? $2.99? Well, what's this $2.99?
I don't know if that's in the right spot though.
So where did you get the oil from? Over here?
It was just sitting right here.
It was just sitting there.
This is the oil to that.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lavender Cloud. No.
It doesn't show up. It shows everything but that.
But that, really? I'm pretty sure they have it some. They gotta have it somewhere. They can't not have it. No, but it's pretty much. I'm tempted just to get the lotion and the spray in the Palo Santo Sage.
So what is
they have
the
the body
magnesium?
They have the body wash, the lotion, and the spray in this.
So what's the body serum stick?
Thank you. Okay. So hair is done. Vacation hair is done. I got some long tresses. What ended up being like a maintenance packing vlog ended up being like a weekend with my mom vlog because she was here. She helped me pack, and I didn't get a chance to like show y'all what I put in my suitcase. But let me show you like my packing thing. So I bought these cubes from Marshall's. So I have a large bag, a medium bag, and then I have a wash bag, underwear bag, hair stuff, and then my shoes and bags are in my carry-on. So that is pretty much like my packing. Hopefully, I try to pack so I can still have room left in my suitcase in case I want to bring some stuff back. I don't plan on shopping and buying clothes or anything, but like little souvenirs and stuff. So we'll see. But I leave tomorrow, and I guess I can go ahead and share where I'm going. But I'm going to Morocco. I'm so excited. So I have a layover in Paris. We leave at 1 a.m. from JFK. So I have to fly from Atlanta to New York, and then from New York I leave to go to Morocco. We have a layover in Paris. And our layover in Paris is only 7 hours, so it's really not a lot of time to be out in Paris. Like, give or take like 2 hours to get out of the airport, and by the time like we get to where we're going, we have like a good 2 hours. Like, try to be back to the airport 2 hours before our flight leaves again. So that maybe gives us maybe 2.5, 3 hours to frolic around in Paris. I've been in Paris before, my friend hasn't, so we're just gonna try to go out, see the Eiffel Tower, maybe do a little walk, and then get back to the airport. And then we get to Marrakesh at 11 p.m., 11:30 p.m. So we'll be traveling the full day. We leave 1 a.m. We get to Marrakesh at 11:30 p.m. So we'll be traveling the full day, and hopefully like we planned it out just right. So when we get to Marrakesh, we'll be dead tired. We can fall asleep and wake up in the morning in their time zone and be well rested. I hope that's how it pans out. But I'm super excited. I'm ready to go. I'm doing like a couple loads of laundry before I leave. I'm pretty much packed. I just need to figure out my airport outfits, like what I'm wearing to the airport. Am I going to change when I get to Paris? What I'm wearing to the airport on the way back to New York. Then I'm going to stay in New York a couple days, and then what I'm wearing on the way back from New York to Atlanta. So everything else is packed. I just need to figure out airport outfits. And yeah, that's it. Like, I'm excited. I'm ready to go. My apartment is clean. My mom left already. She's headed back home. So it's 2:24 right now. So from 2:24 until I leave tomorrow, I pretty much don't have anything to do. Except do laundry and, you know, figure out my airport outfits. But other than that, like, I'm pretty much packed because my mom did a good job of helping me pack. But we'll see. We'll see. My next vlog is going to be on Morocco. So I'm super excited, and I can't wait to see y'all.